Okay, so I got a quick video regarding a question that I got from Shane. Now, Shane's question, he wants to know how he can have more attractive conversation tips with girls. And he's recently out of a relationship, just wants to be a little more abundant. Nothing wrong with that. So anyway, I want to start off by saying this. Most dudes are boring as fucking shit. They ask the same fucking questions, and girls, they just get turned off. Why? Right? So when dudes are having conversations with girls, they'll ask the same questions like, where are you from? Or what school did you go to? What do you do for work? Do you like your job? And all this shit that leads nowhere. Now, girls, they don't want to have that conversation. Why? Because they're getting hit up by 50 different dudes in a week, okay? They're getting hit up by dudes on all different platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, Snapchat, everything, okay? They're getting hit up on all fucking angles. And guys, they're all asking the same dumb fucking questions that lead nowhere. So ultimately, when you go up and you talk to her, right? Most dudes, when they go talk to the girl, they're asking those questions. And here's the thing. She's had that conversation 50 times this week, all right? She's been saying this, answering the same questions 50 times in a row. That shit gets old. Now think about it. If a girl gets hit up by 50 different dudes in a week, how many times a year is she getting hit up, right? 2,500 different times. That means she's had this conversation 2,500 fucking times. She does not want to have it again. So when you're talking to her, you want to come in with some fucking juice, all right? You want that fucking juice so she can get juicy in her vaginal region for you, okay? So here's a little tip that I will recommend to you, okay? One of the things that I don't say it that much anymore. I should probably bring it up and use this more often, but I don't. But this is really effective tip. It's kind of evil, right? So one of the things that you can do is you want to casually bring up that you've been looking into NLP and hypnosis, right? So, and when you're leading the conversation, she's gonna go and she's gonna follow that direction. You're leading. You're a high stats dude. You're gonna be very fucking leading, right? So when you bring this up, you just kind of casually bring it up, and she'll ask you some questions on it. And what you want to say to her is, I'm doing a lot of studying on it. I'm going to use some NLP on you. I'm going to do some things during this conversation, and I'm going to make you really fucking interested in me. Let's see if you can find him, right? And you give him a little challenge, and girls, again, they like the challenge, and she's going to be like, oh, challenge. So you challenging her to find out where you're using NLP to make her more interested in you, right? So now what you're going to figure out and what you're going to see is when she's going to be laser focused on your conversation, okay? She's going to be laser focused, trying to figure out where you're hypnotizing her, where you're using this NLP on her to make her fucking more attracted to you and more interested in you. Now, here's the catch. You're not really doing anything. You're just saying that you're using NLP, and what she's doing, she's just naturally going to want to find out where that NLP is. It's like a magician doing magic tricks. You're going to be fucking laser focused to trying to figure out the sleight of hand and everything, right? That's what she's going to be doing to you. So she's going to be fucking focused in on you when you're talking. Everything that you say, she's going to have just fucking looking you in the eyes. She's going to be really paying the fuck attention. She's going to pay serious fucking attention, right? And she's going to be, again, drawn in on you. Nothing around her will matter because she's going to try to find out where you're using that NLP. Now, what does that mean when you're doing that, right? What does it mean when she's just fucking locked in on you and you're the only thing that matters and everything else around her, police sirens go off, someone drops a glass bottle, whatever, she's just still looking at you? What does that mean? Her subconscious concludes, right? Her subconscious concludes that she likes you because she's so attached to you. She's focused in on you, right? She's focused in on you. And when she's focused in on you, she has to have you. She just likes you because she's investing more of her thought energy into you. She's investing all her time into you, okay? So that's what it does, right? So just because you're just using this little thing, right? You're using this little thing. Hey, I'm going to use this NLP on you. Let's see if you can find it.